Ocean Power Technologies, or simply OPT, is gaining attention after it successfully demonstrated the autonomous capability of its WAM-V-22 to provide offshore survey capabilities for multiple days without needing to return to base. During the exercises in California, the WAM-V-22 operated for several days while hosting a complete seabed survey payload, providing real-time hydrographic and survey data collection. The multi-day operational capability is designed to offer greater persistence at sea while hosting an array of offshore instrumentation for longer and more power-intensive requirements. This advancement opens up entirely new operating approaches for OPT's customers, leading to enhanced efficiencies and opening up new markets for the company. OPT focuses on three major service areas: Data as a Service, DaaS, Robotics as a Service, RaaS, or RAS, and Power as a Service, PaaS, or PaaS. Their objective is to provide intelligent maritime solutions for more secure and productive utilization of oceans and waterways, offer clean energy power services, and provide advanced surface and subsea maritime domain awareness. They achieve this through their proprietary technologies that enable autonomous, zero or low carbon emitting systems with cost-effective data collection, analysis, transportation, and communication, primarily focusing on ocean and offshore environments for generating actionable intelligence. Since completing a substantial portion of its research and development phase, it now focuses on commercial activities, resulting in savings and reduced third-party expenditures. OPT offers a data-as-a-service solution for offshore data collection, integration, analytics, and real-time communication across various applications such as maritime border enforcement, harbor security, and logistics support. Their offering includes the WAM Adaptive Modular Vessel, WAM-V platform, which can be equipped with different equipment types for marine infrastructure surveys, dredging surveys, and more. OPT has received funding from the U.S. Navy's Naval Postgraduate School for a year-long deployment of their power buoy in Monterey Bay to showcase its potential as standalone at-sea infrastructure nodes for diverse operational needs. They've also been awarded multiple contracts by NOAA for uncrewed maritime systems, UMS services, and scientific hardware delivery, training, and integration services. Maritime Domain Awareness, MDA, solution provides localized maritime domain awareness for a wide range of applications across market segments. The MDS-based hardware includes high-definition radar, optical and thermal imaging cameras, and Vessel Automatic Identification System, AIS, detection module, which can be customized or supplemented by other solutions depending on customer requirements. This data is transmitted to OPT's cloud-based analytics platform via secure Wi-Fi, cellular, and satellite communications for further analysis and reference. The company launched the first commercially ready MDAS in September 2021 and successfully demonstrated it multiple times for potential customers around the world. OPT's autonomous vehicles business utilizes patented WAM-V technology for unmanned maritime systems that can operate globally in various environments. The WAM-V offers reliable autonomous surface vehicles and real-time asset tracking, RAS services for different customer needs, including commercial, military defense, and scientific uses across 10 countries. The product line has three main sizes with adaptable design components to integrate different payloads and propulsion methods. This business continues to expand into marine survey and maritime security markets worldwide while integrating autonomous vehicles with other service offerings. In August 2023, OPT demonstrated a WAM-V autonomously attaching to a buoy and establishing an electrical connection for charging. This advancement enables electrically propelled autonomous vessels to operate longer, opening up new possibilities in the maritime industry. They're also working on improving their WAM-V's capabilities remotely with their PowerBuoy platforms, enhancing persistent, resident, and roaming capabilities. There are also efforts to expand into defense and national security by collaborating with various U.S. government agencies. The company is hiring U.S. citizens and veterans for its workforce, now at 25% veterans. They're also working with other USV, UAV, and UUV providers to support autonomous swarming services for the defense industry. In April 2024, they announced Meros, a comprehensive ocean surveillance solution integrated within their roaming and resident technologies. By May 2024, OPT approached 15 megawatt-hours of renewable energy production from its PowerBuoy family, demonstrating commercial availability beyond R&D. The Robotics as a Service works through leasing their WAM-Vs to customers for a fixed time period or specified number of use days, providing a lower cost entry point and flexibility. Their Power as a Service, PaaS, delivers value by utilizing managed power platforms, generating clean energy primarily from ocean waves. The next-gen PB is the future platform integrating lessons learned from previous models, offering solar, wind, and wave energy conversion capabilities for reliable power in remote offshore locations. This product addresses a broader spectrum of customer needs, with potential for greater integration within each project. The legacy PB3 PowerBuoy converts ocean wave energy into electricity using proprietary technologies and generates up to 3 kilowatts of peak power. It operates independently of the power grid and stores its output in an energy storage system with a capacity of up to 150 kilowatt hours. A customized control system monitors its subsystems for optimization and management. In November 2023, OPT divested its non-core strategic consulting team to focus on commercializing its products, particularly in national security and defense markets. Its strategic consulting services will now integrate value for customers supporting broader POS, DOS, and ROS solutions. Part of OPT's broader strategy includes providing integrated ocean intelligence solutions through autonomous and cloud-based delivery systems. They aim to offer actionable intelligence using their product line, Maros. The company has strategic alliances with resellers in various regions like the Middle East and USA to expand their product offerings. Their marketing efforts focus on offshore locations requiring cost-effective renewable energy, data collection, and communication solutions. Recent projects have mainly catered to military and government applications. The growing demand for unmanned systems by defense, security, and commercial sectors is driving market expansion. OPT's services are increasingly in demand for protecting borders, monitoring exclusive economic zones, and safeguarding natural resources on the seabed. Operations in Bahrain and the Asia-Pacific region demonstrate geographic opportunities for their services. They primarily serve defense and security organizations, but also target offshore wind, science and research, and ports and harbors markets. Their pipeline consists mostly of participants from the defense and security sectors. Other areas they could direct more attention towards are offshore markets such as oil and gas, wind farms, aquaculture, science and research, and marine infrastructure development. The WAM-Vs can be used for survey work, monitoring operations and vessel traffic, and providing power and control solutions in remote locations. Additionally, the company offers engineering services for offshore projects and provides expert witness services for legal cases related to offshore construction and service companies. Marketing is geared at defense and security markets, both domestically and internationally, with a focus on Latin America for growth opportunities. They expect a lengthy sales cycle due to the need for customer education about their technology. The company showcases its products and services through conferences, trade shows, and demonstrations. They plan to attend such events in the US, Europe, and the Middle East during fiscal 2025, while seeking strategic relationships with sensor and equipment manufacturers to develop application solutions. As for competitors, OPT anticipates competition from various providers in the DOS, ROS, and POS industries. Their DOS solution faces competition from data acquisition companies, sensor and measurement equipment providers, and autonomous vehicle suppliers. In the POS industry, they compete against subsea batteries, solar, and fossil fuel power sources. The company's ability to succeed relies on producing and storing energy reliably at a competitive cost and maintaining positive customer perception of their product's reliability. They believe that their in-ocean validation experience gives them an advantage over competitors, as it proves the performance, survivability, and reliability of their wave energy systems. Their WAM-V product line and RAS solution face competition from companies marketing ASVs and USVs. OPT actively monitors non-traditional competitive threats like drones and AI tools utilizing satellite data and considers potential synergistic solutions with other companies in the market. When searching for strategic relationships and expanding existing partnerships, they cater to potential customer needs for persistent power sources and real-time data collection. In order to succeed commercially, they aim to grow their customer base and secure contracts. Examples of contracts include a year-long deployment with the Naval Postgraduate School, a volume order from Solmara worth $1.6 million, support for foreign law enforcement against illegal fishing activities, and multiple award contracts from NOAA for uncrewed maritime systems services. OPT's business relationships with software companies and other partners are aimed at developing their maritime solutions for integrating various payloads, developing next-generation MDAS products, and maintaining operations globally. OPT is continuously developing its Marine Domain Awareness Systems, MDAS, combining radar, marine AIS, and camera data with a custom command and control system for real-time information on marine activity. They have commercialized their next-gen PB, optimizing power generation through hybridization of renewable energy sources. They're also advancing WAM-V capabilities for marine survey and defense and security markets, working towards full compliance with International Shipping Collision Prevention Rules, COL regs. Additionally, they are integrating adjacent technologies like drones and underwater vehicles into their products and solutions. OPT's products are regulated in the US and foreign jurisdictions for site approval, use restrictions, and environmental compliance. The company operates under various environmental protection laws and health and safety guidelines. As both renewable energy and wave energy industries evolve, OPT anticipates increased oversight and regulation for their technologies. Site approvals are managed by federal agencies for long-term offshore projects, while state governments handle approvals for projects within 3 miles of the shore. Renewable energy subsidies and incentives primarily apply to electric generation and supply to utility grids, but there may be opportunities for carbon emission reductions in autonomous applications. OPT's core in-house manufacturing activities include product assembly, systems integration, and testing. These operations are conducted at their New Jersey headquarters and California facility. Their corporate headquarters and most of their manufacturing operations are located in Monroe Township, New Jersey, providing approximately 56,000 square feet for manufacturing and office space. They believe their current facilities offer productive capacity for the company. In April 2023, they entered into a lease for a new facility in Richmond, California, offering improved resources, surge manufacturing, and on-water testing capabilities. Protecting its proprietary products, technology focuses on their patent portfolio that covers aspects such as system design, WEC control systems, power conversion, and more. The expiration dates for their issued U.S. patents range from fiscal year ending 2024 to 2041. They also use trademarks on nearly all their products and have registered significant marks in the U.S., emphasizing their importance in marketing. On the road to widespread commercialization, OPT will have to leverage and communicate the advantages of their products to gain a hold on market share, while also effectively scaling up production and remaining cognizant of evolving regulations in all the markets it targets. For more on ocean power technologies and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.